Okay, see question number 2. Number of ways of arranging 8 books of identical books, 8 books. That means there is no difference between book 1 to book 8. All are same. Into 4 identical shelves. That means shelves are there. 4 shelves are there. 4 are identical. That means there is no difference between shelf 1 or shelf 2 or shelf 3, shelf 4. Shelf. Where any number of shelves may remain empty. That means see, you can make any number of shelves empty, but you have to keep these books. Logically here, 4 shelves you cannot keep empty. Why? Because 4 shelves if you keep empty, these books you cannot keep anywhere. That means see, you can make empty of 3 shelves. 1 is full. Okay? Like that we can make it. See how we are making. How many ways they are telling. See here every time you need not change this. Why? Because see, we have to choose how many numbers like that ways. Logically, see what I want to say first. See 4 shelves are there. First of all, I will make 3 shelves empty. 3 shelves empty. That means I want to keep only 1 shelf. 8, 0, 0, 0. See, total 4 shelves are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I have kept all books in 1 shelf. Remaining all empty. Any number of shelves we can make empty like that. This is one way. One way. Why? Because see, don't think that here also second, third, fourth like no. Why? Because see, identical. Any one shelf you take and keep all 8 books. That is one way. That's all. Okay. This is option A. Now go for option B. In option B, I can make 2 shelves empty. See, I already told 4 shelves empty we cannot make. Why? Because see, at least you have to keep books in 1 shelf. Empty. Okay, see how I am doing. See, 8 cannot come here. If 8 comes means remaining 3 shelves are going to become, what we can say, empty. That is why 2 shelves only you have to keep empty. That means maximum you can take 7. 7 if you take automatically in another shelf. Another shelf I am not telling second shelf. You can keep 7 books in any one and 1 book in any one. Total 8 books are there. 8 books are over. 4 shelves are there. Okay. This is one way. Another way also I am writing. You see. Another way. I will write here. Afterwards I will write there. Okay. Now see, rather than 7 1, shall I make 6 2? Yes. Then make 6 2 also you can make. Okay. 6 2. Okay. 6 2 anywhere you can make, but one box, one shelf 2, one shelf 6. Go over. Can I make 5? Yes, we can make 5. Because 5 if you make automatically, what will happen? You have to take 3. Why? Because the remaining 2 shelves we have to keep empty only. Why? Because 2 shelves empty means 2 0 should come definitely. 5 3. Then shall I make 4? Yes. 4 means how? 4 only. That's all. Except these 4 ways, can you make any case? No, we cannot make. That means now you write here 4 ways. Okay? 4 ways. 3 shelves empty, 1 way. 2 shelves empty, 4 ways you can make. Now go for 1 shelf empty. One shelf empty. Okay, 1 shelf empty. 3 shelves empty, 2 shelves empty, 1 shelf empty. 1 shelf empty means see, 1 0 only should come. 1 0 means see, even 7 comes 1 1 9. That is why minimum 6 you have to take. Maximum, not minimum. 6 1 1 0. Is it okay? Why? Because see, 6 if I take 5, see, rather than 6 greater 7 you cannot take. 7 if you take automatically 7 1 is going to become 8, but remaining 2 are going to empty, but here we are going to make only 1 shelf is empty. 6 is possible. 6 1 1. Anywhere you can take. This is one way. And now shall I take 5? Yes, definitely I can take 5. 5 if you want to take, remaining 2, see last one is 0 definitely. Okay, last one is 0, but to become 8, what are the possibilities? See here 2 you can take and 1 you can take, that's all. Why? Because see 7 plus 1 8. Rather than this you cannot do anything. Okay, if you take 5, that is one thing. Another thing, can I take 4? Yes, 4 you can take. 4, see 5 if you take automatically, 1 you cannot take, 2 minimum you have to take, 2 if you take automatically, another 1 only remain. Now if you take 4, what will happen? Observe carefully. 4 you cannot take, you can take maximum 3 and 1 0. But is it only option? No, another option is there. Why? Because if 4 you can take, 2 you can take, then again 2 you can take. Is it okay? Why? Because it is 7 1 8, 7 1 8, 7 1 8, 6 2 8. Okay, one only shelf you can make and take. Is there anything? Yes, another thing is there. See, width 4, rather than these two, anything is possible? No. Why? Because see 4 if you take automatically, remaining 2, 1 you can take 3 or 2 if you take 2, that's all. You cannot increase, 3 already increased, you cannot decrease. Okay, over. Now you go for 3. Okay, you go for 3. 3 if you take, what will happen? Observe carefully. Maximum another one also I can take 3. Then I need to take 2 only here. I don't have any other option. Why? Because see, this combination has not come. Okay, 3 3 2 6 2 8. If you take 3 here, rather than 3, if you take 2 also, again you have to take 3, already has come. Okay, only number of ways you are calculating. That means see, rather than these 5 ways, there is no other way for one shelf empty. Then you write 5 empty, 5 ways. Okay, you have written 5 ways. Now go for 0 shelf empty. Why? Because see, any number of shelves you can make empty, but I cannot make 4 shelves empty. Why? Because I have to keep those books. That is why at least one shelf you have to utilize. 3 you can make empty, 2 I can make empty, 1 I can make empty. I can make 0 empty. I don't want to keep, all I want to keep 4 shelves. Okay, D 0 shelf empty. 0 shelf empty. That means see, now no shelf is coming 0. All are going to occupy. See, all are going to occupy means can I write 8? No. Can I write 7? No. Can I write 6? No. Can I write 5? Yes. 5 1 1 1. Maximum 5 you can take in one shelf. Remaining 3 shelves. Why? Because 0 empty means no 0 should come here. All should be occupied. 1 1 1. 3 plus 5 8. Okay. Now with 5 you cannot do anything. With 4 you can do something. What is that? 4 if you take maximum 3 you can take. No. Why? Because if you take maximum 3, then 1 is going to come and 1 is going to become 0. That is why you don't take 3. Then you can take 2 only. If you take 2 6, then remaining 2 vacancies, 2 books. Then you take 1 comma 1. Understand? Okay. 4 if you take, then you have to take 2 6 8. Okay. Now go for next one. See, I have taken 4 and I have taken 5 and 4. Now I am going to take 3. Okay, with 3 options you take it. Shall I take 3? Yes, definitely I can take 3. 1 1. Why? Because 6 plus 2 8. Okay, another one. 3 I have taken, but rather than 3 I will take 2 only. 5. Still 2 are empty. Okay, write down then 2 comma 1. Why? Because this combination has not come. 3 3 1 1 is there, but 3 2 2 1 is not there. Is it okay? It's definitely okay. Now rather than this with 3, can you do anything? No, I cannot do anything. Why? Because see, 3 2 over, but rather than 2 3 you cannot make, rather than 1 2 you cannot make, rather than 2 3 you cannot make. That means with 3 also over. Now go for 2. Can we take 2? Yes, definitely. 2 2 2 2 8. 4 boxes, 4 shelves. Okay. Now rather than these 5 ways, can you make any way? No, we cannot make. Okay, these are fixed. 5 ways. Now you tell me total how many ways are there. Go from bottom. That means the total ways is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. That means 10, 4, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 ways will be your answer. Okay, now let's go for next question.